Okay, so our next slide is about advantages and disadvantages of industrial revolution. Okay, we will go one by one. Okay, the first we will go the advantages of industrial revolution. Okay, so the industrial revolution created an increase in employment opportunities. Okay, as factories become widespread, okay, additional managers and employees were required to operate them. Okay, since most of the factories and large companies were located near the cities. Okay, so the U.S. population migrated to urban areas, often overwhelming the available housing. Okay, all right, so increased innovation lead to the higher level of motivation and education that resulted in several groundbreaking inventions that are still used until today. Okay, so these inventions include the sewing machine, X-ray, light bulb, calculator, and anesthesia. Okay, so due to the industrial revolution's advancements, okay, the nation saw the first combustible engine, the first incandescent light bulb, and the first modern assembly line used in manufacturing. Okay, so the industrial revolution changed how people work, the technology is available to them, and often where they live. Okay, and the other part is the disadvantages of industrial revolution. Although there were numerous advancements during the industrial revolution, the rapid progress caused many issues. Okay, as workers left their farm to work in factories for higher wages, okay, it led to the shortage of food being produced. Okay, the sharp increase in the number of factories led to an increase in urban pollution. Okay, pollution was not contained to the factories as people flocked to the cities. The living conditions were deplorable as the urban resources were overwhelmed. Okay, sewage flow in the street in some cities while manufacturers dump waste from factories into rivers. Okay, water supplies were not tested and protected as they are today. Okay, as a result, okay, regulations and law were enacted, okay, to protect the population. Okay, and the industrial revolution provided an incentive to increase profits. Okay, and as a result, so working condition in factories, right, is very bad. Okay, long hours, inadequate remuneration, and minimal breaks become the norm. Okay, child labor was the major issue. Okay, health issues, okay, also for many of the factory workers, all right, giving rise to the labor movement throughout the US.